going down. Now. One. Going up.
So I'm pretty sure now you can probably hear me. So I've just got back from the gym. I just did upper. I need to make a brew. It's Monday. So the first video was on, I forgot to add loads of information in, but the first video was on Sunday, Sunday last night, and I couldn't bloody upload it. So I need to fix that. What's important right now? Coffee. Alright, get some coffee. So it's Monday, it's 7:30. I'm in a rush. I need to set off in 20 minutes. 20 minutes and then get to work. Should I double scoop it now? One scoopy. Alright. I did my pre-market analysis on all the pairs. I'll do a separate video of me actually on the laptop because right now I'm just talking loads of shit. So yeah, we'll get to that soon. I'll show. So I got my meal prep. So I'm trying to also get 6% body fat. So meal prep is taco beef mince, 2 eggs. Yeah, that's not exciting. But usually I have sweet potato, but I forgot to cook it, bake it, whatever. Forgot to bake it yesterday, so that'll have to do. I haven't even got any fruit. Oh, it's beautiful. All right, so today's plan: gym done. Then I need to go work. Then on my break, my first break, I'll check the market because it'll open by then. Then I'll check before pre-London. I just can't be at the laptop at pre-London because of work, but I'll sneak off to the toilet and check pre-London. Then I'll finish at 5. As soon as I finish, we'll start from there. So I'll probably see you around 5. So right now I forgot to record what I was eating and stuff because obviously I'm trying to cut weight. I need a shave. But right now I'm just having a brew. I've had my food. I just burnt myself. And pretty much I'm in a trade right now, USD CAD, but I'll break it down. I'll break it down later. Right now I need to go into there. Let me show you. Can't even show you. But basically I need to go in there. I don't know if you can see it right in there. I need to do 20-minute cardio because I'm fat. Because I'm getting fat. So 20-minute cardio, lose this. Need to get 6%. So yeah, do that. And then I'll update you on the trip. Actually, the trade was taken whilst I was on the way back from work. I was literally just pretty much, I forgot what time it was. It was like 5:30, so 8:30 London session. Alright, this is what we see. So, on USD CAD, I went to the monthly, and we can see here these areas. Actually, I didn't mark this up on the monthly, I marked it up on the weekly. So I saw this is a very strong area. Why? Because the weekly, every time it's tapped it, it's reacted. And then obviously it broke through, tapped it, and continued. So a lot happens from this area. Alright, now, we've clearly broken through, right? And I want to emphasize this. Look at the candles, right? Let me show you. Oh, don't tell me I've got to go and pay for it right now. So, this move down, look at the candles. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. And the candles are quite high volume. When I mean high volume, I mean they fill out, they don't wick out, they don't move slow. There's not a lot of candles, it's nice big candles. Yeah, we've got 1, 2 big ones, them 2 indecisive, but overall the move was strong. Now, let's go to the current day. Current week. Look how we've retraced. Look how we've retraced. Slowly, slowly, slowly. And now we've hit a very strong area. Okay, we've hit a very strong area. And look how price has moved from this candle. I'm gonna go really into detail how I see, just so for my sake as well. So basically, we tapped once into the zone, and look how much volume came out after we tapped it. Look at that week, it closed less than 50%. Alright, maybe just around the 50% mark. Still, that's very strong. So let's see what happens the next week. Nothing. Oh, why is it going by the day? Alright, let's speed this up. So then, what we've had here, we've had an inside candle. 1, 2, the 3rd week. So we had 3 weeks inside of this candle for price to get up to here. That struggled to get up. Finally, we've tapped the EMA. And we're back in the area of interest. Now let's see. Oh shit, I didn't even know what happened. Alright, that's even better. So, we took liquidity out of here, and now we've closed even stronger to the downside. So we've had a push. This one, 50%. This one, obviously I don't need to measure, it's quite obvious. So then we've had the next week. Let's see how this goes. Alright, that one's now engulfed it. So we're now bearish. We're now going bearish. Can you see? From that wick to that wick, right? So we're playing off this area now. We've engulfed. So if price comes up into it, you can play anywhere in here and it still be bearish. Alright? See. There. So we're playing inside this wick. Why? Price usually takes a lot of volume out, then gives early sellers or buyers, then usually fills out the wick, and then makes the move. That can happen a few times. So on the weekly as well, that just makes it even stronger. So then I went to the daily. So that's me breaking down the weekly in my mind. I did that very slow, but usually it'd take me a lot quicker. But yeah, just for the video purpose, I took it slow. So on the daily, we can see here price has gone bearish, made a new low. So then price comes up to here. Let me just explain something here. So, how I see this on the daily, okay? This candle here, people call it an order block, whatever you want to call it. I just see it as the last candle to create buyers. So say if we see this now live, this would create buyers because we just made a new high, higher low. We're going to buy, okay? Price then melted. So from this area, a lot of money came into the market to the downside. A lot, okay? So we moved down in 3 candles, quite a lot. Took out all these candles. Then we've retraced. So we've retraced. Alright. Now, from the area where a lot of money came into the market, we've come back to that area. Alright? So let's see how it reacts. So right now, we have the first candle. This is like the 3 pin. First candle, money came out. Second candle, indecisive, hammer, whatever you want to call it. Third candle, we've now engulfed this candle. Let's see where we are right now. Okay, so what we did, we made a 3 pin formation. Price then came up, wicked everyone out. So it came up, so it created sellers, then pushed up even higher, taking out previous sellers here, right? So I would have sold here. I would have sold off this. Well, I would have waited for it better. Why would I have waited? Well, price didn't really it didn't break structure, so I wouldn't have sold. So price didn't break the structure, so it pushed higher. So it wanted to manipulate more. Didn't even give us a sign to sell, so I wouldn't have sold there. Price went up, came to this area. We're now wicking out liquidity. Why is this liquidity? Because this is where people was buying in, and a lot of money came out of here, bearish. So people would have sold from here as well, thinking this is liquidity, so they would have sold to collect all that shit. So we've taken out this high here. As we wicked, we then changed direction and engulfed. This is a very strong candle, like that. Them type of candles, these. So wick out and reverse with an engulfment. Wick out, reverse with an engulfment. Usually a move comes from it. So here didn't do it, but it had the 4 candle formation before it made the turn. That's a different formation, but these formations are strong. So this is what I've done. I can see this here is a strong area on the daily, because this is what price can do. It can come down here and then completely just go up higher and just throw my whole analysis out the window. You got to keep that in mind. Everything you say isn't correct, so I'm just going off how the market's moving. Right now, the way the market's moving, I'm expecting it to come here and go lower, but it could react off here, line up with the EMA and continue higher, because it can do whatever it wants. And also on the monthly, we've made a high and a higher low with an engulfment, so I'm keeping that in mind. We might push, we might, hopefully not, because then I can hold the trade. So weekly, lots of wicks. We're expecting price to engulf. So this trade could be a couple of days, but for now I'm just going to expect price to come to this area. So let's go to the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour here, you can see price moved. Let's start from here. So Friday pushed up, Monday brought it down, didn't break the low, pushed up. Tuesday came to this area again, didn't break below, pushed up higher. Pretty sure this is the previous high. Then we had a pull back, push up high, so that made a new high, and then we broke below, came to this area, respected this area, and now we're pushing, and that's where I came in on London session. So right now we're bearish, pardon me, on the 4 hour. So then I go to the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour we can see the price action's quite clean. So this is all I saw: push down, push up, push up, push up, then price started making lower lows, lower highs. So on this area here, all I did was just take a sell, stops above previous high, maybe a pip or two, and that's it. It's not that hard. Like, if I lost this trade, so be it. The setup was good, everything's in line. Like, I'm going with the trend, I'm following structure. I'm not trying to predict, I'm just going off what I see. I used to try and predict, and that's where I lost a lot of money. But the one thing that I'm trying to understand is, not understand, but the one thing I'm trying to, like, not remember but keep in mind, is that every time I have a setup, it might not play out all the way. It might create something, so I want to just be a bit more aware of how price is moving within my trade, but also don't get too scared of the market, because at the end of the day, we're not chasing the money, we're just going to trade. So this is what it looks like on the 4 hour. This is what I'll do. I'll now just wait until price comes here. So tomorrow I'll see an update. I'll just pretty much now, what is it, 9 o'clock, I'm just going to edit the video. Yeah, what else have I got to do? Edit the video, read some of my book, prepare for tomorrow. Actually, let me go over what I've done today. So today in the morning, woke up at 6, went gym at 6:30, got back at 7:30, got ready for work, went to work at 8, got back, finished work at 5, caught a trade at 5:30, ate my meal prep, then come back, went to the shop, got some food, cooked, meal prep for tomorrow. Then I went to the home gym. What else did I do? Then I did my 20-minute cardio. Yep. Then just got a shower now, and now I'm here. Now I'm just gonna edit the video. So yeah, that's it.